Good morning, student. How are you? I hope you all are well. Just on topic I have to talk to you. Previously, what we have completed in our previous class, that was oral comprehension check I had given to you. Okay, and right now we have to focus here at page number 19, next para, which is given here. A few moments later, we all lifted our eyes from here. Okay, and up to second para, words by heart. We will finish up to here. Here, student, in the para, it is told to you, it is taught to you that by Nelson Mandela, you know, this is totally inauguration occasion is going on, and addressing is being held in amphitheater Pretoria in South Africa on 10th of May 1994. This occasion is going on, and this addressing is being broadcasted by BBC. So let's focus here. A few moments later, you know, you have seen at the occasion of Great Independence Day of India, at the occasion of Great Republic Day of India, 15th August and 26th of January, serially you have seen in the TV show how armed forces, Navy, Air Force, Army, they all display their presentation. In the same way it was going on during the inauguration in Africa, student. It was going on there in Africa also. At that time on 10th of May 1994. The people, the audiences, the eyewitness, those who were present there during that oath, taking oath occasion, they surprised. Why? When they saw the activities of jet helicopters, even troop carriers, when they started to roar there in the sky, they all got surprised. And why they were doing so? Not that was only reason that this is the inauguration of Democratic Republic. Yes, that was real reason, main reason. But second one was also there. Second reason was there. They are loyal to democratic government. Having same post and position, armed forces they used to chase Nelson Mandela. Why? To arrest him, to make him imprisoned before a few days, in recently years, recently months and days. Student. And the same, having same position and rank, post, they are saluting to Nelson Mandela. They are saluting why? In respect, because he is the person, responsible person, who is elected by the people and of the people and for the people. So, in loyalty, they are ready to salute him. And just before, a few days, a few months before, they were awarded, the people, Chief of Armed Forces, Navy, Air Force or Army or Police, they just awarded with ribbons, with medals, at the venue there. Meanwhile, a few moments before, and they were saluting him. They are saluting him right now in reverence, in the respect of Nelson Mandela. Because they are not doing so in terror. They are doing so because they are loyal to democracy. They have loyalty for Mandela's democratic government. That is the reason. And student, more surprising moment was that when Impala jets, they started to display their performance in the sky through their smoke. Okay, through their smoke. Meanwhile, national anthem was going on there, and meanwhile, Impala jets, they started to display their presentation, in which what they were doing, smoke trail, that was a smoke trail of different color, black, red, green, blue and gold, having different colors they were throwing, they were displaying, and they were giving the shape of V, like this, student, shape of V. V for victory. Okay, V for victory. They wanted to give the message, now we have won. Okay, so student, victory they were enjoying, and why they were giving that particular color of smoke, because those colors were present in newly formed flag of Africa. That's why. And in another way, white people, they were singing Nkosi Sikel Africa national anthem. It was being sung by white people. Whether the black people, they were singing Die Stem, the old anthem of the Republic. Old anthem of the Republic, they were singing. Who? Black people. Although that day neither group knew the lyrics of the national anthem, they were not knowing proper rhythm, proper synchronization of the national anthem. That's why their tone was somehow low. As we in India, student, we are used to, we have practiced Jan Gan Man Adhinayak Jai Hai like this, but they have no experience because that was newly formed. Now student, on the day of the inauguration, I was overwhelmed with a sense of history. Whenever he could try to remember about history, about those days which were held with Nelson Mandela, he is saying, I overwhelmed. I have no word to say something about that in humanity. I won't like to imagine even. In the first decade of the 20th century, okay, it means from 1901 to 1910, there took a Boer War. Okay, there took a Boer War in America. Okay, and before my own birth, he is saying, before my own birth, when he got birth 1918, before it means from 1901 to 1910, maybe 12 also nearer. So a few years after a bitter Anglo-Boer War and before my own birth, the white-skinned peoples of South Africa patched up their differences and erected a system of racial discrimination against the dark-skinned peoples of their own land. On their own land. It was at such a basis that the black people, they were totally suppressed. They were not allowed to ride on any type of traffic, any type of car. Even whenever they were in bus, they had to sit at the backmost point of the bus, and that sheet is wooden sheet. And whenever white person is ascending in the bus, then they have a special facility. Their seat is cushioned. Only they were allowed at that seat. Okay? As I have told you in previous example, even Gandhiji was thrown away from the compartment at the basis. Student, now you could guess how apartheid was going on in Africa, at what level segregation was going on there. Such a discrimination was going on there. So here, student, I would like to get a pause. Next day we will continue remaining part of the chapter. So student, thank you, have a nice day, go through, and in next video you will continue remaining part. Have a nice day.